Residents on the New South Wales Central Coast are again bracing for flooding after heavy rain overnight. The Bureau of Meteorology says the Tuggerah Lakes are expected to overflow and could lead to flooding at Toukley and Long Jetty. Residents on the state's mid-north coast at Thora and Darkwood are also bracing for floods. Scott Henkel is the Manager of Special Operations at the New South Wales State Emergency Services. He's speaking with us now live. Scott, how many calls for assistance came in to you guys overnight?
Well, so far for the event, we've had 330 requests for assistance.
Now, what are you expecting over the next few days as these floods continue on? We're told the rain will continue for at least a couple of days.
Yeah, as predicted, the heavier rain eventuated last night, particularly on the mid-north coast. We've got at least another 24 to 48 hours of that before we start to see a clearing trend on Thursday.
I know when we spoke yesterday we were talking about the rain being right up there on the mid-north coast and with the expectation it would move further south. Are you seeing that trending yet? Yeah,
it's a slow-moving system, so it is, but it is trending as modelled. So that's creating most of our work on the mid-north coast and on the central coast.
You were speaking earlier there, mentioning I think around 300 calls for assistance last night. What sort of help are people needing? Are these people just caught in their cars in flood water or people in their homes? Where are they?
Well, thankfully the number of rescues has been relatively light. We've only 6 rescues for the event so far. Most of the calls for assistance have been around leaking roofs or some localised flash flooding around people's houses with drainage. And of course we've been assessing some of the flood threats in the Tuggerah Lake area.
Is there any consideration of evacuations?
Well, we're in discussions with the local population there, but we're trying to defend that. There's been some sandbagging done overnight and some further assessments are being done by the local SES unit there this morning. A
lot of the pictures we are seeing are of people clearly holiday makers away for the long weekend. Are any of those getting stuck on the way back into the major centres?
Oh, well, I think it would be a difficult day for travelling, particularly with the conditions on the road. Pacific Highway is cut further north of Coffs Harbour. So not a good day to be on the roads, and that's where the extreme caution for most people needs to be taken. With the hundreds of call-outs you're getting, are you requiring assistance from outside those areas yet? We've got all our SES resources have been on standby since Friday, and so far our regional resources have been coping with the demand. All right, Scott, thank you very much. Scott Henkel there from the State Emergency Service in New South Wales.